Euro against US dollar this week dropped in value. We can see that for 3 days, and then the last 2 days the price has returned back up. And we can see the week started with this candle here, with this bearish candle. In the previous week the candle has closed below this area of support, indicating further decline down, and the price has reached the first support level 1.078. From here we can see the price bouncing back up, going up and down, then again in the next day the same scenario, and then eventually on Wednesday the price has formed this bearish candle that has indicating further decline to the first support level, and the price has reached the start of this demand zone around this area of support 1.0722, and from here it formed a strong bullish engulfing candle on a Thursday. Then on a Friday we can see the price has returned back down to the first support level, not going down. Could not close the day below, but it has bounced back up, continuing this bullish momentum from Thursday, where the price has reached then the resistance level at 1.08249, and it has stopped on a Friday here, not closing above. The weekly time frame shows me that the price has formed a bullish candle, bullish pin bar here, and we can see the price has behaved as mentioned in the previous week. After forming this bearish engulfing candle, the price has took down, going to the first support level around 1.0722. Now the monthly time frame shows me a bullish candle. We can see that here, and there are 2 more days until this month close, so we'll see how the price will behave in this area. Will the price manage to go up, going above this area of resistance, staying above, or it will return back down? Now in the next week we have only 1 day for this month, so the Monday will be a very important one. How the price will behave, well, it will be a very interesting to see, because we can see that the price has formed a bullish engulfing candle on a Thursday. On a Friday the price continued to rise in value, but the price stopped here at the resistance level, which is a very important one. We will see that, and we can see in the past, in the several weeks ago, the price had problems going above this area of resistance, trying, we can see those weeks, but eventually the price managed to go above. Will the price manage to go above? We will see that. The weekly time frame shows me the bullish pin bar that is also suggesting further rise in value. So for the Euro USD, I am more inclined to see the price going above on the Monday in the next week than I am inclined to see the price going further down. So I'm bullish oriented. I will wait for the price to make a bullish move above this area of resistance on a Monday, and especially on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. 1.08249 is the resistance, and we can see that on a 1-hour time frame the price managed to make a bullish breakout, which is indication of the further rise in value. On the 4-hour time frame the price is currently at the resistance level, which is a daily resistance level, so we will see how the price behaves around this area. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.